Take a look at the 2015 GX. The Lexus GX is a luxurious SUV that provides plenty of hauling functionality with its third-row seating, but also the capability to take off-road. The GX lets you ride in style while still providing you with plenty of versatility. This vehicle has less than 85,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, wheel locks, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, power moonroof, front wheel independent suspension, rear window defroster. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.